Happy holiday, guys. Remember, Monday is gonna be a federal holiday that was approved since Martin Luther King Jr. Day in 1983. This holiday here is known as a Juneteenth federal holiday, will be observed on Monday, June 20. So happy holiday and welcome to our Forex weekly analysis. So stay with me, guys. I'm gonna be showing you a few pairs, so maybe you're gonna like 1, 2, 3 or all pairs that I'm gonna be showing you, and then I'm gonna be making another video based on requests that I got already, so, and I haven't analyzed that pair yet, but that video is gonna come up tomorrow, so stay with me. So but welcome to our Forex Trading weekly analysis, trading with Team Irvin. Let me show you the first pair of the week, and that is Euro JPY. Pay close attention, guys. I want to remind everyone that this week, the week of June 20 to the 24th, there's a lot of pullbacks. Please be careful, guys. If you don't know how to trade pullback, please stay safe. It's my priority to let you know what the market is doing and so on, but you need to be careful, okay, because I don't want you to be blowing your account. If anyone, guys, if you guys want to get this trend line in here, this automated trend line, please let me know in the comment below or send me a private Telegram message. The link is on the description of this video and I will hand it over to you for free. But the way how it works so magically with our multiple time frame. Look at here, it comes and then boom, and retested our trend line in here. It tell you the market is in a sell, and then it come and retest it here again, and then it tell you the market was in a buy. The golden area here, guys, this is the magic about this trend line in here, that once it comes in the middle, the market usually reverse. So that's what I'm seeing. So let me know in the comment below if you guys need it, and I will hand it over to you guys. All right, it's free. So all right, guys, so this is what I'm seeing on Euro GBP. Always put your eyes on the dashboard. It's very important to know what the daily time frame is letting us know that we are selling. Our 4 hours is telling us that we are in a buy. 1 hour is telling us that we are in a buy. So this is what I'm seeing here. So multiple time frame is letting me know here, hey Irvin, I'm in a sell position. Our TW sniper entry is also confirming that yes, we are selling. So the sell is valid, guys. This is what I'm saying here. So let me grab the right tool. So the sell is valid, is selling. So what I'm seeing here is the market is giving us a what? What do you guys think this is doing, guys? Remember what I said earlier in the beginning of this video, guys. What is the market doing all this week, guys? The market is doing a what? A pullback. So market is doing a pullback on this particular pair, mostly on all the pairs that I'm gonna be showing you today. So that's why it's very important for you to stay with me. Pay close attention because it's very important. And hopefully, guys, you guys are finding value so far. If you are, please don't not forget to hit the bell notification, subscribe, and share this video with all the social media so they can learn to be careful this coming week. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, that is true. Market is giving us a pullback at this real time. So all I can say is market still gonna be pushing up another 15-20 more pip, retesting the mid free trend line. If you guys want it, please let me know in the comment below. It's gonna come in here, and then from here market will continue. Remember, don't forget the market here is selling, so the market will continue selling, and it's gonna come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci level, and then it's gonna make a small retracement. This is what I'm seeing on Euro GBP. Euro GBP, like I said, is still in a buy position. So but yes, what I'm looking for this coming week is to pull a sell position. This buy position is too late to enter. I will not enter. And one thing, guys, that is very important for you too is I'm not giving you any signal. I just want you to understand that this is for educational purpose. Do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. If you guys need help or you want me to teach you how to trade, please let me know. We usually do a training every Tuesday, so you can come and see how we break it down and so on. All right, So let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have here, it is GBP USD. Pay close attention what GBP USD is doing, because it's very important, guys. Look, it's very identical, exactly identical of what we were seeing on Euro JPY. Look at the dashboard. Look, the dashboard is saying the market, look at what the daily time frame is telling us, daily, weekly, and monthly. It's telling Irving we are selling. So look at the only one that is contradicting. 4 hours is contradicting. So if it's contradicting, it's letting us know that we are in a buy position, right? So what does that buy position represent? That is a pullback, right? So automatically the system is letting you know, hey, market is going against all the time frames, so be careful. So if we select the multiple time frame in here, going with the dashboard, look at here, boom, boom. So market here is only going in one direction, that is selling, right? So if you put a trend line in here, it already retested this trend line in here. But what the market is still active is market. What is this buy represent here, guys? What do you guys think that represent? What do you guys think? Ready? That is correct. That is a pullback. So market right now is doing a pullback slash or equal buy position. It's going against the trend at this present time. So that's why it's very important for you to stay on it. So what I'm seeing here is the market is still in a buy position. In my opinion, market is still gonna push another 50-20 pips. That is support and resistance in this area here. It's gonna come to your 50 Fibonacci level in here once again, and then from there market will continue to sell. Don't forget the sellers are in charge. The market will continue selling down, coming to your 23 to your 0 Fibonacci, and then it's gonna make a small retracement. All right, what do you guys think so far, guys? Any question, guys? Hopefully you guys enjoying this video, guys, and if you are finding it helpful, please show your support by hitting that thumbs up button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notification bell so you can keep up with our new content that we always release week after week. Is free. And also leave your question and your thoughts below if you have any doubt, or you want me to help you, or you want me to whatever it is in your mind. All right, so if I'm not covering any video today, guys, that you want me to do it, please let me know, and I will make that video tomorrow. Okay, so someone sent me a message, Irving, can you analyze gold? And it was too late for me to do the analysis, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, because I mean, anyway, Monday is a holiday. What holiday is on Monday, guys? Monday it is mostly it's a new federal holiday that was approved since Martin Luther King Jr. Day in 1983. This year, the Juneteenth federal holiday will be observed here in United States on Monday, June 20, year after year. So happy holiday. Happy holiday or Juneteenth, and to everyone, make sure they remember on Monday nobody's gonna be working, guys. Markets will be open, but it will be slow. Okay, let me show you the next pair. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is GBP JPY. Close attention to this. This is very important, guys. This is another identical. This is very important. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is giving you the answer. The daily time frame is selling. The 4 hours and 1 hour is in a buy position. So look at here. So you should know it by now. Look at here. Multiple time frame is here. TW sniper entries here. So we are doing what? We are selling, right? So what are we seeing here, guys? Another reminder. If you guys want this free trend line in here, there's white lines in here. It worked magically. We are multiple time frame. Let me know. It's free, guys. You don't have to pay. It's free. You look, come and tell you it's a sell. Come and tell you here's in a buy. Market's in the middle. Then it will continue selling down. So it's beautiful piece of software in there. So if you guys want it, please let me know. You will get it for free. Okay, no charge. All right, so what I'm seeing here, guys, market is selling. So if you put a trend line in here, that's exactly what it is doing. But this is what I'm thinking the market will continue, guys, because right now market is doing what? Market is doing a pullback. So pullback still valid as a buy position. So all I can say is that is true. Market still gonna be pushing another 15-20 more pips, retesting this trend line, and here coming into the middle of your free trend line that I'm giving you here. So let me know in the comment below if you guys want it, or send me a private telegram. And then from here, yes, we are gonna continue selling down because the market here is selling, and then we're gonna get a small retracement. So all I can see this coming week, guys, it's too late to enter on that buy position. Please do not enter. It's too late. Wait to fully form, and then I will be looking for that sell position. All right, so but remember, guys, this is not signal. I know a lot of you guys pay for signal. Stop wasting your money on signal. Learn how to trade, guys. The best tips that I can tell you here is you need to learn how to trade the market, and the market will reward you well. All right, let's move on to the next pair. The next pair that I have for you guys is USD JPY. Pay close attention. This is a brand new one, so I love it. This is good, guys. Look at the dashboard. Look, every single time frame. This is what you guys need to be looking at it, guys. When you see the dashboard, everything going either on red or green, that's a good signal. That's a really good signal to go up. So look at here, multiple time frame is telling me, hey Irvin, I'm in a buy position. Look at the difference, guys. This is what I was saying. Look at here on the trend line that I'm telling you that if you guys want it, let me know in the comment below. Look at here, trend line come. Look, trend line came and retested. It tell you market is in a buy position. Trend line came here and tell you market is selling. So it's beautiful, beautiful piece of software. Once again, if you guys need it, let me know. I'm drinking coffee, guys. It's very early morning here, so I'm now waking up for you guys. But this is what I'm seeing here on the market. Market still in a buy position. Our TW sniper entry is also confirming that we are in a buy position. We're still going on the continuation of the buy position here. So what I'm seeing here, this is a really good trade here. So market still going up. So in my opinion, market still gonna be pushing another 15-20 more pip, retesting the trend line once again. Then this coming week, we are gonna be looking here on USD JPY as a pullback. So market is getting ready to give us a sell as a pullback. So be careful, okay? Be careful on USD JPY. The market currently on Friday, the market left us as in a buy position, which is the real trend right now. All right. So if you don't know how to trade pullback is coming up. If you guys don't know how to trade that, please don't do it because the market will chop your head out. Okay, be careful, please. Okay, it's very important. Any questions so far, guys? Once again, guys, hopefully everyone is finding value on this video. If you are, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, drop your comment below, and subscribe. Share this video with many other traders around the world so they can know exactly what to expect this week and the future videos. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is the most tradable pair in the world, and that is Euro USD. Pay close attention what Euro USD is doing. All right, so this is what I'm seeing here on Euro USD, guys. Euro USD currently, look at the dashboard. The daily time frame is telling us that we are in a sell position. The 4 hours is telling us that we are in a buy position. So what is the real trend right now on Euro USD? So multiple time frame is here. Our TW sniper entry is also confirming that we are in a sell position. So the original trend right now is selling. Right, this is the real trend right now. Market is selling. So here it is, our red arrow indicating the market will continue selling down. But currently, guys, this is the signal that we are seeing here. So we are seeing here a pullback. So pullback still valid at this trend, at this real time here, going where? Going up. So I tell you here is in a buy position, right? So market is clearly going up at this real time, still going pushing up. So in my opinion, market is still gonna come back and retest your 61 to your 50 Fibonacci level, right? Because this is a very key level in here. And then from here, market will continue selling down, retesting your 78.6, and then it's gonna make a small retracement. So overall, the sellers are in charge on Euro USD at this present time. So unless if the market give us something new, but we are just doing a pullback at this present time. So be careful if you are planning to pull a buy position on this week, because market is just going against the trend. So in my opinion, I need to look going with the sellers because the sellers right now are in charge. All right, so that's what I'm seeing here, to be honest. I don't know if you guys have any doubt, any question on Euro USD. Euro USD is one of the most tradable pair in the world. So if you don't know how to trade that pair, please don't trade it. It's very important. But guys, I want to thank everybody really for all your support, for watching our Forex weekly analysis and so on. So I want to thank you for the bottom of my heart. And I always tell you guys, stay safe, respect your family, everyone. Look, we can disagree on what we are doing here, but we need to respect ourselves. It's very important. My goal here is to be honest, transparent. If I make a mistake, you will learn it from me, but I never want to disrespect anyone, neither you to disrespect me. So always stay humble, no matter how much success you're gonna find in this business. God bless you, God bless your family, God bless the world, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. So once again, guys, I love you, and always remember, Team with Irvin. Let's go. Peace out.